I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a garage door spring. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and sturdy gloves to protect yourself. Make sure your garage door is fully open and secured, preventing any accidental closure. Remember, garage door springs are under immense tension, so never attempt this repair without the correct tools, especially proper winding bars. Your safety is our top priority throughout this process. First, identify your spring type. Most common are torsion springs located above the door. You'll need specific tools: 2 winding bars, a reliable stepladder, and a 3/8 inch wrench set. Crucially, measure your existing spring's wire size, inside diameter, and total length. This ensures you purchase the exact replacement, which is vital for your door's proper balance and safe operation. Getting the right parts is a key step. Now let's tackle removal. Using a 3/8 inch socket, loosen the set screws on the winding cone. Next, insert your winding bars into the cone's holes, one at a time, ensuring a firm grip. Slowly unwind the spring, 1/4 turn at a time, always keeping control of the bars. This process releases the immense tension. Once fully unwound, carefully slide the old spring off the torsion shaft. With the old spring removed, it's time for the new one. Slide the replacement spring onto the torsion tube, making sure it's oriented correctly. Secure the stationary cone to the center bracket using the proper bolts. Now, carefully wind the spring the recommended number of turns, usually between 30 and 35/4 turns. Finally, test your garage door's balance and make any necessary fine adjustments to the spring tension for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.